how to set marketplace notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to settings on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon or settings. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, tap the notifications. In notifications and what notifications you receive. Okay, below of this, you can see here the marketplace. Okay, you can tap this to set. And now you can allow or disallow by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So for example, I turn off this. So if you turn off, the pop-up below are show and tap the turn off button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, where you receive this notification, so you can receive into push, email, and SMS. You can turn on or off this option. For example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the marketplace notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.